Hello community, I hope you are doing good. In this session, I am going to show you the second exercise, and which is the LinkedIn integration. Before we will continue, in case you are a beginner and want to learn from the beginning, you can visit this WebLearns channel. Under the home screen, you can see here Odoo 17 and 18 development tutorial. This is the main playlist and those are the topic wise sub playlist available. Alright, the old topics also available here. You can just scroll down. Okay, and guys, if you didn't subscribe this channel, please subscribe. It will help me a lot, plus you will get the latest notification about the upcoming sessions. So let's jump to our main topic, the second session, right, which is the LinkedIn integration. Here we have to integrate LinkedIn from our Odoo. You have to create a one config model. It stores the LinkedIn credentials, right? And then you have to also create a new model, which is the post. Well, here I'm giving you the same name. You don't need to consider. You can also create your own name. So here at the end, we need to achieve the LinkedIn integration. That's all. Okay. Another thing is you have to refer that https://developer.linkedin.com website. Over there you can see a lot of informations. Okay, how to create an auth. Over there you will get a lot of informations about how to call actually the LinkedIn APIs. Okay, here the main 3 to 4 APIs we need to access. Okay, auth 2 to access the token. Then after, let's say, the user profile we have to use, right, to get the username. The last one is the post API, the LinkedIn post, right. From Odoo side, we are creating a dynamic content, so that same content we have to post into the LinkedIn, right. So that API we have to use, and before all this one, we have to also create one application in the LinkedIn site to access with our Odoo system. Okay, so this is the exercise you have to perform. And yes, don't use any third-party Python libraries, just use Python request library only. All right, and yeah, it is very simple. One more thing is I will also add in a few days the solution also, but which will be first published for the members only. After 2 months I will publish publicly. Okay, and yes guys, if you waiting for the first exercise solution, I already published, but only the members can access. Like after 2 weeks I will publish for all the users. All right, so see you in our next session and best of luck.